What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go over a trade I took last night on GJ on the 5-minute time frame. So when we looked at GJ last night before the London session, if you look on the hour time frame, we were at this area that was a very strong resistance. So here it had hit this level at 162,575, 560 and rejected. Then we came back up and tested it again where we took sells previously off of that level, back down, and then we were kind of in this range working our way back up. So knowing once it was getting closer to this area of resistance, previous resistance again, I was looking for it to make a move and potentially break to the upside to this level of supply, or ultimately this huge level, demand in this level of demand up here as well. So last night, let's go into replay mode. Let's see, where's my replay mode? There's the replay mode here. Replay, bar replay. So go there, go to the 15-minute. So we had London open here at around 1:32 a.m. So initially we had a huge rejection of this resistance, just like we had in the past. Huge rejection when we took sells the other night, and rejection here, rejection here. So some people did catch some quick sells off of this move last night, but my bias was still bullish. So I was still waiting, being patient to get this break above this resistance for my entry to go long. So we just patiently waited. I knew it would come back up to this level. Waited some more. Huge melt there. Actually came back down. So we had this huge rejection here about 2:15 in the morning, showing that sellers tried to come in, but ultimately the buyers took over, started shooting up. Some people did get in early here off of this kind of pattern here. I think this is an evening star pattern. At the close of this doji, you could potentially get in. Me, I like a more probable. I'm looking for the highest probable trade. So for me, I need this break here. We had this break at 2:30 a.m. So I was just waiting for the pullback here, and then waiting for another kind of rejection of this resistance. So again, we're still waiting. We're not in yet. Not in yet. So we had another bullish candle and golfing candle right here above this zone, small pullback, and so we started getting rejections here above this resistance level, which I then took my entry here on the opening of this candle just after this doji formed here, and we took buys here at 162,575.76 area. Now, my first take profit was here, but ultimately I was looking at this area at 163,200 as a psychological level. Ultimately, you could have rolled it up to this area of demand that we had previously marked up. So, boom, within 15 minutes, we had our overall take profit, over 60, 70 pips. I think I ended up getting total here on last night's trade. So that's all we waited for was this break of this resistance. Then we had a pullback, retest, rejection on this doji, and then we started getting some buying volume pressure coming in. Entered here on our market execution and took the ride all the way up. Now, I got a reason why I got out here. Two reasons was, well, I like this 163,200 level psychologically, and I kind of was looking at my TDI down here. We're kind of getting close to the top of this Bollinger Band and almost in that overbought area of this red 68 level here. Because if you notice here, every time it comes up to this level, you get a pullback. Up to this level, we got a pullback. So that's when I was like, okay, we're getting close. We're probably going to get a pullback. So I wanted to secure my profits here at this level. Now, if you wanted to, you could move your stops to break even, right? Or even just a little bit in profit and kind of ride this out, because we did have that pullback, but ultimately it came up all the way back up to this demand area and smacked the overall take profit. Now, as far as the future here, what I see for tonight, kind of watching to see if we continue this bullish run on GJ and see if we can break above this area and get some confirmations to ride it back up to this overall major area of demand. If not, could potentially look for some shorts here off of this level and see if we can come back down and probably retest this 162,574 area. Take some sells down here or get some more buys back up to this demand area. So thank you guys for watching. I did call this trade last night in my Telegram group, so if you would like to join, it's free. Comment below or message me on Instagram at FXAndrewCapital, and I'll give you the link to join. Or if you have any questions on how I trade or any trading questions, comment down below on what you'd like to see, and I'll gladly make a video on that topic. If you please smash that like button for me. It helps the algorithm out. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe because there's a lot of big things coming. Just getting started, but I'm here for you guys and just spreading my knowledge and love to help you guys learn to become successful traders, cut through the noise, and yeah, let's keep trading and kill the markets. It's been strong this week. Thank you guys for watching.